Hey everybody. I'm doing this because, and I want to give some quick tips and tricks just for generally making amazing cold brew. I've got a pretty awesome little pot here that I'm going to show you guys in a minute. I'm going to be using 4 ounces of coarse ground coffee. I'm going to go and talk a little bit about some baseline equipment that I use, and then just kind of really just have a discussion around next steps online. So that's going to be the fun part. This is short, this is painless. I hope it is of value to you. Okay, what I've got here is my Primula cold brew little coffee pitcher, which is going to be awesome. It makes amazing cold brew in anywhere between 8 and 24 hours, depends upon how really just flavorful you want the coffee. I have 4 ounces of unground Frank's Ultra barrel aged bourbon coffee that we make here in Reno. It is pretty darn sweet. And this is a pretty decent burr grinder. It's made by OXO. I know you can get it on Amazon because I did for about $100, and this thing is pretty stellar. What we want to do is set this up on a medium to coarse grind. I find that somewhere between 11 and 12 makes a pretty good grind for making a cold brew. And then we are going to dump these beans in just because it's fun and fresh, and I have it set on 30 seconds. I know exactly how much I want. I'm not gonna make you watch the whole thing because it's loud, but I'm pushing the old button. All right, I've ground my coffee. This is the next step. It's pretty simple. This fun little container, which has mesh around the outside, I'm just gonna fill this puppy up. Then it is going to lock into its little staging area in the coffee container or the pitcher, whatever you want to call it. Then I'm just going to fill the darn thing up with water, put it in the fridge, and wait until tomorrow. I will have some pretty awesome cold brew by then. As you can see, I've got the coffee ground. It's pretty gorgeous. It's a coarse grind, as you can see, and that's really what you want because you want decent surface area, but you don't want it so fine that it's going to pack down and you're not going to get the water moving the flavors out of the coffee into the pitcher. So there's the fun. I don't know if you need me to still fill a pitcher with water, but I'm happy to kind of take that pick, add it to this, and that's that. So if you got any questions, again, you can make this with any coffee that you like, but I've honestly found, and this is not because I am a complete coffee nut, but Frank's Ultra, the stuff that we're making now, I've never had anything like it. It is amazing. And what's really fun is that I can drink it morning, noon, and really even night. It is delicious. Have a good one. I'll talk to you soon.